Hey guys, it's Fred and Georgia, and we are in Bamberg today. Guten Tag. Bamberg is a 1,000-year-old city. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so there's a lot to see here. They are also very famous for smoked beer. So I'm looking forward to trying some of that. I don't think Georgia will, so maybe I can have yours. All right, so let's go explore Bamberg, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah, it has to be touched up every once in a while. So then I can nail it. We are going to be right. And ever since he had a very funny way of walking, because from then on he was standing with his arms a little bit when he was walking. And walking like this, the German word for it is schlenken. And you can see the landlord. He says. And if you don't like it, keep drinking. You will have it after the fourth or fifth pint. And what do you think?
Tasty.
They export that beer to the
Bamberg
United
smoked beer.
States and to Finland. And when I was young, I was living in Marseille in the south of France on the French Riviera. And when I went there last time,
Make your own. Yeah, because there were things I would have thought. Yeah.
All right, guys, so that's a quick look of Bamberg. We are here in the Christmas market. We're ending the tour today here with a little Glühwein and wandering through the stalls of the Bamberg Christmas market. We already had our smoked beer, some sausages, and so we're going to be heading back to the boat in a little bit. It is definitely cold out here, about 35 degrees, so the Glühwein is especially good.
We will be coming back. It's
Yes.
a beautiful town.
Auf Wiedersehen. Bye.